In this video, we're going to take a look at the Rode PSA1 Studio Boom Arm. This microphone arm is designed to hold microphones that weigh about 1.5 to 2.4 pounds. And it's a great microphone arm, but it has a couple quirks with it that I think you should know about if you're about to buy one. It has 3 different adjustment points, one right by the microphone, one in the middle, and one at the base. And it can have a reach of about 33 inches up and 32 inches to the side. So this is nice because you can put it on the edge of a desk and reach it out really long to get it to where you're sitting. You can also go high and boom it down low like this below if you want to read something in front of you. One thing I don't really like about this one in particular is the way the microphone attaches is really annoying. You've got these 2 screws that use these ovals to tighten, and I just find that it's hard to get them tight enough where the microphone doesn't move. And then once you get it tight, it's really hard to loosen them because they don't have a lot of grip ability to them. Another thing that I don't like about this microphone is when you're using a mic like this or the SM7B where the threads are by the XLR, it can be really tight to get an XLR cable in there. So oftentimes I end up using a microphone quick release or a tube extender or something like that that gets the microphone a little farther off the stand. Another thing that I don't like about this is if you're not careful and you're trying to rotate the microphone, you actually just end up unthreading the microphone. So it can be really frustrating to work with these knobs right here and also dealing with the XLR on some microphones. Now, if you've got a mic like the Rode Pod mic or a mic that the XLR cable's on the back of the microphone, it's not as big of a deal, but it is a little bit annoying if the microphone is on the thread. One cool thing about this is if you take the microphone off, you actually get 3/8 threads on this, so there is an adapter to adapt it to 5/8, which is the standard size for a microphone. So that gives some versatility with the different microphone types you can use with this boom arm. Another thing I do like about this is that the arm can easily be removed from the base if you want to take it or transport it somewhere. There's also an insert that you can use instead of the clamp-on base if you want to permanently mount it on a desk. The clamp is able to accommodate a surface up to 2.16 inches thick, and the insert can go up to 2.75 inches thick on a tabletop. Once you get this dialed in for tension, it works really well. I just find that adjusting the angle of the microphone itself is probably the most annoying thing about this. Rode does include 2 Velcro straps, so you can Velcro your XLR cable, and the cable kind of sits in these different slots. But the cable management on this is pretty much non-existent. So overall, I do recommend this arm. There's a little bit of wiggle with it in the insert, but once you get the different tension spots adjusted, it works really well. And as long as you're careful with adjusting the angle of your microphone, these knobs are just a little bit annoying to use, but they're totally usable. Rode does make the PSA1 Plus, which is a newer model that's one step above this. I think they go for about $30 more than this one. The thing about that one that's cool is I think they give you better knobs for adjusting the angle of the microphone. But if you need a solid boom arm and you've got a budget of about $100, this one is going to get the job done for you. It's going to save you a little bit of money, going to be bare bones, and do exactly what you need it to do. Hold your microphone out of the way and get it off a table. Thanks for watching this video. If you found value in this content, please like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos.